Typical installation of microinverters. There are two different types of installations. The one on the right, the microinverter itself is mounted in the back side of the panel. Keeping the cables to the minimum, since the panel facing the sun, the back side is in the shade. No way that electronic device, microinverter, will get heat. It will get hot because of its nature operation, but will not get hot because of the sun. On the left, we see microinverters placed, each of them under each panel in a series. And there is a bus that connects all of them together. Data and power on one line goes out to the grid.